get ready to swerve into that goal. Last in 3, push all those reps off of the post for a ton of extra points. Alright, yeah, last in 2. Trying to grab some breathe, get into that goal for the goal references. So you have a 35 now, you now switch drivers. Last in 2, go over grab a green. Green, a lot of teams around the field. 25 seconds, you must now switch if you have it. Two going for the green, looks like must be green across that plane. Must be 2, dropping another for that goal bonus, and they get to the goal in time. We have 5 seconds left. And they cross that plane, it's time.